Tempo launched a new testnet called Moderato. This was done to improve reliability, better align with the Manit, and accelerate the release of new features. Now let's test it. The old testnet will be shut down on March 8th. All users must migrate their nodes to continue using the network. This creates a transition period where both testnets will be available.
To make this process easier, we have created an automated migration script in the Valley of Tempo testnet repository. This script handles all the complex steps automatically. Now let's get into the video.